Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update the setup tools using the PIP in your VS Code. So in order to update the setup tools, what you're going to need to do is head on to the terminal and type in the following command, which is pip install double hyphen upgrade setup tools. Once you have entered the command, simply hit the enter button and wait for the initialization process to begin. And here you can see that the installations is being carried out, and with here you can see that the requirement is already satisfied in my case. So that means that the setup tools are already upgraded to the newest version in my case, and if had that not been the case in your version, then it will install to the latest version. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.